Alden, it's your update. Ito pala yung endorsement shoot ni Alden noong nakarang araw for Casino Plus. Ayan, bilang brand ambassador. Ayan, naka-red suit si Alden na outfit. Ito yung sabi ni Alden sa post ng Casino Plus.
Hi there, I'm Alden Richards, Casino Plus brand ambassador. Today, I'll be asking a few people what's their dream and what does their life look like.
I love playing games on my phone, but it's broken. I wish for a new one.
I need a laptop for my work, but mine is old. I really want a new one.
My mother works in Hong Kong. I wish I could visit her soon.
Watch me this coming July 6 from 9 p.m. to 11 p.m. for my Color Game live streaming. Get ready to color your dreams and color your life as we make your wishes come true.
Yan, Alden Richards for Casino Plus. Yan, abangan si Alden. At July 6 yan, mag-host siya dyan for Color Game live streaming. At ito pa ang abangan din kay Alden kasama ang cast ng Pulang Araw na magkakaroon ng meet and greet dyan sa Juan Ayala sa July 13 yan. And then for Pinoy Con. Huwag kalimutan mag-subscribe, click ang notification bell for more updates. Ito po ang future reaction vlog. Bye guys, thanks for watching.